Good morning. Yes, good morning for today. Yeah, it's a beautiful morning here in East Africa, Kaliro, Uganda. This video I've started it from here. As you can see, I don't sleep here. I just come every morning. Like whenever I'm going to work in the garden, I come here. So it is a good morning. I've just arrived. You can see my bicycle there. For those that has been following me, you know this place. This is Mr. Patrick's home, but they are not there. They have gone in the garden. You see, it rained yesterday. Too much raining. It was cats and dogs. That's how they say. So the rain was too much. Too much, as you can see on the ground. You see the leaves. Rain was too much. So even me today, I've come to do some work in the garden. I remember yesterday I did a video where I was telling you that we are waiting for rain to come. We are going to transplant our seedlings from the nursery bed to the main garden. So even today is what we are going to do. But let me first change my clothes. Yes, I don't work with this one. There is another one which I use here. I keep them here. See? The one that I put on when I'm in the garden. I keep it here. You see? This one. So let me first change my clothes. I remove this one. Because this one is this why. This one is good. It's clean. I cannot go with it in the garden. So I use this one as my combat. So shortly, let me first change the clothes. Yes, I'm done with changing my clothes. So let me even not waste any single time, because we are going the other side. See, African style. This is where we keep the hose. See, so this is my hose, but I think I don't use this one. I use this one. Yeah, I'm going to use this one. Then this one I return it back like that. See, African style. See, this is where they cook from, and as well as they use it as a stove. So, guys, we are going to the garden. This is my bicycle. I'm going to leave it here because I will not manage to ride it as well as I'm recording. So I'm going to lock it from here, then we go. These are my keys for the lock. So we're going to lock it from here. We do it like this. Like this. So I've now locked it. So this is the seedlings that we are going to plant in our main garden. And this is my goal. So let's go, guys. Let's go. Guys, yesterday it rained. It rained. Very much rain. You see, even the banana plantation is felled down because of the wind. See, the trees, the branches cut off. See? So that means the rain was too much. Look where we pass. See? The whole village. So guys, even today we were supposed to weed, not to transplant, but because it rained yesterday, and in the other video which I did yesterday, I was telling you that we are going to transplant. Actually, I was planning to first weed the whole garden, then I transplant, but because it rained yesterday, I don't want to mess up with any chance. Last time we made a mistake. Actually, it wasn't a mistake, but we misused that chance, whereby we were getting some small rain. Like, we used to get some rain, but it wasn't that enough, like much. But we were supposed to use that chance, but because I had no experience in it, I thought maybe I'll manage watering that garden until what happened. So this time around, I'm very serious. I don't want to misuse any chance. So as I'm weeding, I'll be also planting. When I get a chance like this one that we got yesterday, it rains, I'll stop the weeding. I first plant, then after I will continue weeding, as well as the seedlings are there in the garden, because we never know. You never know. It may stop raining, like it can stop raining when we have not finished up with transplanting. So I don't want us again to suffer with watering when this chance is there. So I want to use this chance before it stops raining, because we are going in the festival season. You know, those months of December, January, they are mostly dry season. Yeah, so we don't want to miss up with any chance. I'm going to use this chance. Okay, let me first sit there. I will show you what I want to talk about. Yeah. Some started harvesting maize, like these ones here. Okay, people are planting potato. Muko we balese. Kali. Potato. That's how they plant potatoes. Like he's doing there. Anytime I'll get a chance. And these ones are almost getting ready. The potato plantation. So guys, don't forget to like this video. And in case it is your first time to come across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss up with any video of mine. Your boy Brian from Kalilu. Okay, feel okay to drop your comment down there in the comment section. Yes, you can even follow me on Instagram, still the same name, Brian from Kalilu. I'm moving like a car. That is soya bean. Even there, I'll see whether I can get a chance of recording for you in a video. See? But look, rain was too much, guys. Even when it wasn't me, you would do what I'm going to do. So this is our garden. Yes. See? It has even wind. See, this one was falling because of the wind which was there and that in the rain which rained yesterday. See? Wind was blowing. I almost wanted to break my paper. See these plants here? I don't take them for granted. Because you can see they are small as they are. But me, I know what they can give us. I know the reason. I know the purpose. However much you can see that they are small, but we can get money in this which you cannot expect. So this is what I was trying to tell you yesterday, that after weeding we are going to remove the other grass, because that's now grass. After weeding, I collected them, put them somewhere there where you can see. So this is what I was talking about. So when it rains, the garden will still look clean. Okay, there it cannot just like, it will take some time for more grass, like more other weed to grow up. That's what I was trying to tell you in the other video of yesterday. So even these ones we are going to remove. I'm going to remove, because today I've come, I'm going to replace. Since it rained yesterday, the ground is still wet, very wet. So there it supports the plant to germinate. I think I'm clear. Yeah, it supports. When you transplant it, like when you plant now, it is going to germinate very fast because the ground is very wet. So just because I don't have someone to help me hold for me the camera, I'm going to stop here. Then I'll continue after I've done with replacing. So I was supposed to weed here today, but because it rained, I don't have that energy of planting and then weeding, and I don't want to overwork, because I may pressurize myself of overworking, and again I end up going back in the hospital, in the clinic. So I don't want to reach on that level. So let me first turn off this camera. I'll get back. Welcome back once again. I'm back, guys. So this is what I've done, and it is what you are supposed to do. Let me hope so. So I'm done with replacing. Actually, as I told you, I have no someone to help me hold for me this camera. So I just do the work. Then after doing it, I explain to you what I've done. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. It's not easy, but at least we've started the journey. So this is what I've done. I'm done with replacing. You see, these ones here. That's how they look after planting them. That's how they look. Because we've just transplanted them, they have to first like getting dry. Then after they gain in the ground. So I'm done with transplanting. The worker is still there, because I haven't reached the other side. I think you see where the lines are ending, and even I've not finished these lines, because I came with a few plantations, so they have not finished. I have to go back and bring more so that I can finish up with this and even the whole garden. But this is what I've managed to do today, as in for now. They have ended here. So now what I'm going to do is mulching. Mulching is like this. You cover where you finished planting. Like you see, it is there. So you cover this. You cover like this. So that even when it rains, the plant cannot get the direct rain and even to protect it from the direct sun. So I'm going to cover everywhere we have planted, and the whole garden will be like that. That's why I was collecting those grass to cover like this. Here, even when it rains now, like even when it rains today, the plants will be already like it will keep the water inside there. That's why we mulch. We make sure that we keep the water inside the ground so that the plant can grow well, even when there is no water. Like it can absorb water, it can keep water there for like a week. And these ones just need 2 to 3 days to get strong, like to get like to grow. Yes, it needs like 2 to 3 days. Now this one can keep water for almost a week. That means the water will be there and our plant will grow well. Now look guys, see how our garden is looking beautiful. These guys have just been naughty, like they were betraying me because I gave them the money to help me, but see what they have done. So I'm going back home after finishing this, after planting what I've dug, after finishing all. Yes, I'm going back to bring the seedlings so that I finish the whole of this. Guys, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss another video. And please guys, let me to 1K subscribers. I'm still struggling to get 1K subscribers. I don't do this on pressure. I do it peacefully, not by force. Because this channel is all about me and my life. What I do, how I live. It is all about me. Brian from Kaliro. The channel is all about me. So make sure you subscribe so that we move together with you. And don't forget to hit that notification. Drop any comment in the comment section. I'm very sure I'm going to reply you. You can even check on me in my email www.wakwesabrian@gmail.com, or you can check me on my Instagram, Brian from Kaliro. You link up on me. So I want to end this video here as in for today. Guys, thank you for watching. See you in another video.